Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily enable or turn on the on-screen keyboard. So if your keyboard is not functioning or some of the buttons are not working, then this video will come into your help. First, use the mouse and click on the Windows Start menu or the button. Locate the settings and click on it to open. Let's make this bigger. And as a next step, you want to look for Ease of Access. Click on it. As a next step, scroll down on the left panel and click Keyboard. Here you will see Keyboard. Use your device without a physical keyboard. Click on it to turn on, and the virtual or the on-screen keyboard will appear to you. To disable it, it's enough just to close it, or if it doesn't work, just go back to the settings and make sure to disable it. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.